Senatorial candidates from Partido Federal ng Pilipinas, including former Senator Manny Pacquiao, Senate Majority Leader Francis Tolentino, and former Secretary of the Department of Interior and Local Government, or DILG, Benhur Abalos, visited Bataan today to court voters ahead of the 2025 midterm elections. Local officials in the province expressed their support for the senatorial hopefuls. Former Senator Pacquiao personally engaged with vendors and consumers at a local market, while candidates from Alianza para sa Bagong Pilipinas welcomed the country's recent removal from the Financial Action Task Force's gray list, highlighting it as a significant economic achievement. Former Senator Panfilo Lacson described the development as a positive step forward. Meanwhile, Representative Camille Villar called for a more proactive campaign to address the rising issue of teenage pregnancy in the country. For now, administration candidates continue to present their platforms and plans to voters in the lead-up to the elections.
Yan po ang iniwasan ko sa buhay ko na yung sabihin sa atin ng nanay natin, mga anak, pasensya na kayo. Yung time na yan, pag may makikita akong mga mahirap na tao sa buong Pilipinas, sa ating bansa, nasasaktan ako, kaya ko pang tumulong sa kanila, tulungan ko yung mga naghihirap na tao.
Ang pinakahuli, ang may warrant of arrest, si Pastor Apollo Kibuloy. Ayaw niyang sumuko. Hinanap namin siya, makita niyo sa video, 2,000 pulis ang napunta sa Davao City at nahuli namin si Pastor Apollo Kibuloy.
Bago po mag-adjourn ang Senado, naipasakop po namin yung Senate Bill 1699. Inaasahan ko pong pirmahan ito ni Presidente Marcos hanggang siguro second week of March. Pag napirmahan po ito, substantial discount po sa mga bata.
Nagkaroon ng agreement ang lahat, ibawasan natin, alisin natin, gawin natin 21 para makapagkampanya kung saan man na baluarte, tapos yung mga gusto pumunta sa mga OFW, may panahon na pumunta.